Hello and welcome back to the channel, all of my unplugged AI disciples. Have you ever wondered why Siri, Alexa, or even your Google Assistant seems so human-like in their responses? Well, there's a whole intriguing world behind these intelligent machines that we're going to dive into. Welcome to the curious world of artificial intelligence and chatbots. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a field of computer science that aims to mimic human intelligence. It's like a newborn baby that learns from its surroundings. But here, the surroundings are data. The more data it interacts with, the more it learns and the smarter it gets. Chatbots, on the other hand, are like the talkative toddlers of this AI world. They've been around for quite some time, starting as simple rule-based systems that could only respond to specific inputs. Remember the early days when you asked a chatbot a question and it would get stumped if you didn't phrase it exactly right? Well, those days are long gone. Today's chatbots have evolved into sophisticated conversational agents that can engage in seemingly meaningful dialogues. They no longer just follow a set of pre-programmed rules. Instead, they learn from their interactions, improving their responses over time. This is where machine learning comes into the picture. Machine learning is a subset of AI that allows these chatbots to learn from experience. It's like a chatbot's personal tutor, guiding it to better understand and respond to human language. Just like a student getting better at math problems with practice, chatbots get better at understanding and responding to our queries with every interaction. So how do these chatbots manage to sound so natural, you ask? Well, it's all thanks to an advanced language model called Gpt4. This model has transformed the way chatbots converse, making them sound almost human-like. So next time you ask Siri about the weather, remember, it's not just a simple reply, it's the result of years of evolution in AI and machine learning, all powered by Gpt4. Well, the secret lies in something called Gpt4. And no, it's not a secret code from a spy movie. Imagine Gpt4 as the brain behind these smart chatbots we interact with daily. It's what makes them tick, what makes them seem almost human in their responses. But what exactly is Gpt4? Well, let's break it down. GPT stands for Generative Pre-training Transformer. Quite a mouthful, isn't it? Imagine it like this, like you have a huge library filled with all the books in the world, and GPT-4 is like a super librarian. It's read every single book, every article, every snippet of text it can get its hands on. It's learned from all that information, and it's ready to generate responses based on what it knows. But it's not just a simple question and answer machine. No, GPT-4 is more like an improv actor. Give it a prompt, and it will create a scene for you. It doesn't just understand the words you're saying, it understands the context, the nuance, the subtext. It's like having a conversation with a very well-read friend who can keep up with any topic you throw at them. And how does GPT-4 do this? It uses something called machine learning. You know, when you're trying to guess what your friend is going to say next based on what they've said before? Well, GPT-4 does the same thing, but on a much larger scale. It uses patterns it's learned from all the data it's read to predict what should come next in a sentence or a conversation. But here's the kicker. GPT-4 doesn't just mimic human speech. It's not like a parrot repeating what it's heard. It understands the words, the sentences, the context, and it can generate meaningful responses. It's more like a super smart parrot that can keep up a conversation, not just mimic what it's heard. So in essence, GPT-4 is like a super smart parrot that not only mimics human speech, but also understands and generates meaningful responses. It's an incredible piece of technology, and it's changing the way we interact with machines. Now, you might be thinking, all right, a smart parrot, so what? But GPT-4 is so much more than that. It's like a Swiss Army knife of artificial intelligence with a tool for just about every job you can think of. Imagine you're a business owner. Customer service is a big part of your operations, but it's also a significant drain on your resources. Enter GPT-4. It can handle a vast majority of customer inquiries, freeing up your human staff to handle more complex tasks. And the best part, it can do this 24/7 with the patience of a saint and the efficiency of a well-oiled machine. But let's not stop there. GPT-4 is also making waves in the healthcare sector. It's helping doctors and nurses by providing instant access to a wealth of medical knowledge, making diagnosis and treatment more efficient and accurate. For instance, a chatbot powered by GPT-4 can assist in triaging patients, answering their queries, and even providing basic healthcare advice. Now, imagine you're a gamer, immersed in a fantastical world of elves and dragons. You interact with non-player characters who respond with pre-programmed lines. But what if these characters could respond intelligently to your actions, adding a whole new level of immersion? That's exactly what GPT-4 brings to the table in the entertainment industry. It's transforming the gaming experience, making it more interactive and realistic. And let's not forget the world of content creation. From writing engaging blog posts to generating creative social media captions, GPT-4 is a boon for writers and marketers. It's like having a tireless creative assistant who's always ready to help you craft the perfect piece of content. GPT-4 isn't just a tool. It's a game changer. It's reshaping industries, making our lives easier, and opening up a world of possibilities we're only just beginning to explore. So, GPT-4 is more than just a smart parrot. It's a revolution in how we interact with machines. Like any powerful tool, there's a right and wrong way to use GPT-4. Let's talk ethics. GPT-4, as advanced as it is, raises some serious ethical considerations. One of the most significant is data privacy. When interacting with GPT-4, remember, it's not a human on the other side of the screen. It's a machine learning model that has been trained on a massive amount of data. While it doesn't remember personal conversations, it's always a good idea to avoid sharing sensitive information. It's like the old saying goes, don't whisper secrets to a parrot. In this case, the parrot is a highly advanced AI. Now, let's talk about potential misuse. GPT-4, with its ability to generate human-like text, could be used to spread misinformation or create deepfake content. It's crucial to be aware of this and use GPT-4 responsibly. If you're a content creator, don't use GPT-4 to generate fake news or to manipulate people's opinions. GPT-4 is a tool for creativity and innovation, not deception. Let's flip the coin and look at the right ways to use GPT-4. For instance, you could use it to draft emails, write articles, or even pen a novel. It's like having a digital muse at your disposal. Or perhaps you're a programmer. You could use GPT-4 to generate code, making your work more efficient. But beware of over-reliance. While GPT-4 is a fantastic tool, it's not perfect. It can make mistakes, and it lacks human judgment. So always review and edit the content it generates. Think of it as a sous chef in your kitchen. It can do a lot of the prep work, but the final dish, the seasoning, the presentation, that's on you. And finally, remember, GPT-4 is a tool, not a toy. It's not something to be used for harmful pranks or to harass others. Its capabilities should be respected and used for positive, productive purposes. So remember, with great power comes great responsibility. MEC. So where do we go from here? If you are so excited about our journey, please like and subscribe to our channel. When you subscribe, leave a comment saying subscribed. We assure a response. Your engagement grows our channel and keeps everyone up to date. We are dedicated to keeping you briefed on AI and uploading new content regularly. So please share, like, and subscribe, and let's stay connected. Remember, No one gets left behind in the community of AI Unplugged. Okay, let's continue. As we stand on the cusp of an AI revolution, the future of GPT-4 seems as limitless as our imaginations. It's like we're looking out over an untamed digital frontier, and GPT-4 is our trusted steed. Now, let's not get ahead of ourselves. GPT-4, like any invention, has its limitations. It's not perfect. It can sometimes generate inaccurate or nonsensical responses. It doesn't understand context the same way humans do. It's like that friend who always takes your sarcasm literally. We all know one, don't we? But these limitations are not insurmountable. They're merely challenges to overcome. As we refine and improve upon GPT-4, we can expect to see these issues gradually diminish. It's like training a puppy. It might chew your favorite shoes now, but with time and patience, it will learn. The potential future developments for GPT-4 are fascinating. Imagine a world where GPT-4-powered AI can engage in complex problem solving, or even create original works of art. Maybe it could write the next great American novel, or compose a symphony to rival Beethoven's. Or it could just help you remember where you left your keys. What's truly exciting is the potential of GPT-4 in creating more advanced AI systems. If you think of AI as a building, then GPT-4 is a crucial brick. It's a stepping stone towards a future where AI can understand and interact with us on a level that we've only dreamed of. It's like the difference between a horse-drawn carriage and a Tesla. There's no comparison. So as we look forward, let's embrace the possibilities. Let's not shy away from the challenges, but instead let's seize them as opportunities to learn, grow, and innovate. Who knows, maybe in the future, we'll have a GPT-4 powered chatbot scripting these videos. Until then, keep exploring the fascinating world of AI.